Create a new videoReferee project for 2 workplaces. In the Slow-Mo Launcher app, click the Create New button. The General Settings window will open. In the highlighted area, select the referee work mode. Change the project name. Configure the number of video channels. Select the video resolution and frame rate. Also, select the project record storage and duration. In the highlighted area, configure the display on which the main interface will be presented. If necessary, configure the camera layout. Select the sport. In this example, it's hockey. Configure the scoreboard controller. Select the model from the drop-down list. Specify the connection port and the connection speed. Test the synchronization. In the next area, we can configure workplaces. Currently, only one workplace has been added here. Add a second workplace. Configure control panels for the workplaces. The network connection. Enter the address of the first control panel. Check the synchronization. Enter the address of the second control panel. Check the synchronization. After a successful connection, open the I/O boards tab. Here, 2 working videoReferee outputs have been added. Assign connectors to these channels. In this example, monitors 2 and 3 are used. Specify the channel names. It is recommended to choose channel names that immediately identify the purpose or location of the cameras. Open the Summary tab. Save the project in the previously selected storage. Check the connections in the diagram on the right. Click the Run Current button to launch the project. Wait for the project to launch. This may take some time depending on the complexity of the built configuration. The program's working interface displays 2 workplaces. Start the recording. In each workplace, you can switch channels independently. Rewind the recording. Set marks. And start playback. The same functions can be performed at the second workplace.